Hi, everyone. This is just a review of the meeting that we had on September 30th. Some people were unable to attend, some people had technical problems. So, to help you get caught up, now I'm not going to do this every time, but just to help you get caught up so that no one falls too far behind, this is a review of the things that we talked about. Everybody has this issue of the Science Studies Weekly. There's also a video that I posted um, last week. It's on my YouTube channel. It's also in Power School. You should watch that video and read this before you do anything else. Okay? And once you have that, we can move on. Okay, so the reason why this is so important, this is called graphing science. We are going to do this a lot in science and in math. Graphing is a really important skill that we have to be able to do before we go on to third grade, and I want to practice it a lot. Now, on the left side, it says, and you have this worksheet, by the way, I think in the student pages it says 12 or 13, maybe 14. What is your favorite thing to learn about in science? Take a class vote, tally the results. I'm going to show you what that is in a moment in the chart below. Then flip your paper over and make a bar graph showing the results. Before you begin to graph, finish the numbers going up on the left. Use your finished bar graph to answer the questions below. You don't have the bar graph, so don't worry about that. So I asked everyone in class and some other people here at the school what they would like to study, what they would study if they were scientists. And I made some tally marks: 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 people said they would study plants and animals. So if you have this page, make sure you have tally marks there. You have 9 of them. Remember, the diagonal line that you see equals 5. That's coming up in math also, so it's good for us to know this. And I'm going to put a number 9 there. Then I asked some more people about these other subjects, and here's what I got: 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I'm sorry, 14. 14 people said that they would study Earth and space. And then for how things work, in other words, how does the inside of the computer work? Or what makes a car engine work? Or why does the light come on every time I open the refrigerator or something like that? And here's what I got: just 6 people. And then other, this was for people who said they wanted to study the human body or how to study medicine or something like that. And for this one, we got quite a lot. We got 9. Okay, so which group had the most? It was Earth and Space. And what we did was we made sure that we wrote Earth and Space right here on this line. Who had the least? Okay, and that was the group that voted for how things work. Okay, then once we had all of this information, we started to make our bar graph. So for plants and animals, if you look over here on the right, here it says number of students, and here it says plants and animals, Earth and space, how things work, and other. For plants and animals, we had 9. So I do this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and it's very easy to see that. And wait till you see what it looks like with the other ones. Then we had to make a bar graph for Earth and space. And I put 14 of those here. Okay, and then for how things work. Okay, so there are going to be 6 there. Okay, and then finally for other, which is also going to have 9. Okay, and now look at how our information is being shown to us. We have bars they're colorful, everything's clearly labeled. And this is something we're going to be doing in science. We're even going to be doing when we have a writing lesson about science, and we're definitely going to do it in math. Now, everybody has these pages as well. On the left side, it says Weekly Literacy Connection. So you've got some questions here that you have to answer. All of the answers are in the magazine. So that boy with the 3D glasses, that green magazine, the Science Weekly, all the answers are in there. So you should make sure to read that and watch the video. And then number 5 is kind of like a daily edit. Find the mistakes. And then when you're finished that, you can go to the final page. And again, you definitely have this, and answer these 7 questions. That's what we did, boys and girls. So make sure you read this and you watch the video. If you're an O student, hold on to it. When I ask your parents to bring your work in, they'll put it into a folder or an envelope with all of your other things, and they'll bring it to me. If you're a C student, put it in your science and social studies folder and bring it in with all of the papers. Okay? You can actually keep the magazine. It's yours. I just need to see the worksheets. Okay? That's it for now. The end.